Raspberry Pi 4 robot uses onboard camera for object tracking and distance measurement with the help of OpenCV and Matlab image processing toolbox. Image segmentation and histogram based tracker is used. Hello and welcome to another presentation of English Education. In today's presentation, I'm going to demonstrate how I have used OpenCV Raspberry Pi 4 computer for object tracking and object distance measurement just only with the camera feedback. Meet my Raspberry Pi 4 robot. So in this robot there is onboard camera and the Raspberry Pi 4 computer, and there is 4 DC motor. The way this robot operates, the camera sees whatever is in front of it. Based on that, it can recognize certain colors. Then it can measure the distance of that color, that how far the color is from the camera. Then it can figure out if the color is right hand side or left hand side. So in this way, the robot can figure out the coordinates in world coordinates, that where is your location, and if the object is obstacles or objective target. So based on that, with the developed program, the robot is able to run towards that object at the target. It can track the target and it can navigate against the obstacles. In this way, it is possible to demonstrate a system that where the autonomous robot will be able to pathfind itself. As you can see, the robot is currently sitting on the table, and there is a scale in front of that robot, and the target is just in front of it. So as you can see, roughly the distance from the robot camera, and to the target is roughly about roughly about 30 centimeter. Now converting 30 centimeter in feet, if we can just run the program, and we'll see that how much distance the robot measured with this. So let's see with the added code. We just run this code. As you can see, it measured the distance 1.27 feet. If I move the camera, if I move the camera away from the object, as you can see, the distance is drastically changing. As I go towards the robot, you also see the distance is changing as well. Now, how accurate is this? There is a certain latency in the program, is that it fluctuates. This camera object tracking and distance measurement happened in few stages. The first part is these 3 stages of image processing. Here you can see I have converted the normal image to HSV image. Then from HSV to the blue masking, I have utilized OpenCV, Python OpenCV, and as well as Matlab for this purpose. The code is added to the link description, so you can find the whole range of code in the added description link. And this is the line of code I have utilized to perform that 3 stage of masking operation, and this is the Matlab code next I'm going to implement for the same operation but in different way. In Matlab, I used histogram based trackers. If you want to know about image histogram, look at my detailed video about image histogram and histogram equalization. Now, at the beginning of the code in Matlab, I created a tracker by initiating the object. As you can see, selecting the object, the yellow color tennis ball, and double clicking it. This way, the object is initiated. Now, next in the code, the image processing toolbox, once the object is initiated, it processes the image in different frames, and it tracks the image in different frames regardless of its locations. Now this is as you can see, it is tracking at the moment because it is initiated previously with the previous code, and I have also provided the detailed code. You can see the detailed code and see more of it.